Alright, we got Robbie Lawler.
Oh, I think you might have the auto. It's backwards.
Oh, shoot.
Auto. Oh, Brock Lesnar.
OG right there. Alright, we got Holly Holm.
Autograph.
Oh, Leon Rocky Edwards. That's my boy right there. Alright, I think we're going to flip it over. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
You still got it? That's funny. Okay. Are you still asking the same price on it?
I'm asking 3.
3. What were you asking last? I think 350 last time. Yeah. Okay.
So, you know, a little adjustment.
Awesome. I'll keep that in mind. Thank you so much.
Good to see you guys.
Yeah, same here.
No, I don't think I'll take a look. I haven't had a whole box of these. Oh. And this.
They've got to be really cheap. It's 1990.
Yeah.
What are you selling your Bowman baseball for?
That one, that was $25.
$25? Okay, cool.
I got the 89 with the Griffey too.
Oh, okay. How much is that one?
Those ones are 40, I think I have.
40, okay. Good deal. So if you want a clean Griffey, you can try your luck on that for 40 bucks. You might get one that's more centered. What are you asking for your Barry Bonds? Your Barry Bonds?
No, you don't have mine. I have so many of them.
Oh.
It's my dad, so if it got stolen, I get in big trouble.
Hey, what are you asking for your Barry Bonds?
Give me 1 second,
Okay.
boss.
You guys should have like stickers on them.
Yeah. A lot of these other ones.
Thank you.
This will be 30.
Wow, this is a clean card. It's a little off center.
80 bucks, 75 bucks. 3 for 25.
If you buy the Chronicles, will you throw one in? Top loaders? Yeah?
What did I say though?
You said 75.
75 or 80?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors. If I win, it's 80. If you win, it's 75.
Oh, hey, you want to do that? Rock, paper, scissors. If he wins, it's 80. If you win, it's 75, and you get a top loader.
I'm just doing it because you got a camera.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I think the cheapest you're finding it right now on eBay is 125, 130. You know, you throw tax on there and shipping.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because tax on 140 bucks or 120 bucks is these 10 bucks.
And he looks like a very reputable guy. You know, you don't have to worry about no eBay sellers or anything, right?
No. I buy all Central Coast Trading.
Awesome.
What do you say? 160.
What was the commotion? What did you pull out?
I pulled a Serial Gandhi out of 25.
Oh, wow. That's awesome, man.
Yeah, and then I got a Chase Hooper as well.
Nice.
Yeah, we're about to open 2 more packs. I'm trying to hit the auto right now. So
This is the one that just picked up right now?
yeah,
Wow.
Right now, I'm trying to hit the auto right
That's
now.
awesome, dude.
Yeah. Andy, what up, G? 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Auto. That is big, bro. That is fucking big. Oh my god. Usman auto, G. Oh, baby.
That is dope. I'm glad I got that on camera. I'm glad I got that on camera.
Oh my god.
Cool, man. Good job, bro.
Oh my god. I knew it. My buddy's like, you're not gonna pull shit. Alright, that's fine with me.
You need to call your buddy right now, man.
He has all the UFC boxes.
Oh, okay.
Hey, let me see. Thank you, dude. Thank you guys, bro.
I'm glad I was here for that. That was so cool. Yeah. Perfect timing.
That's true. That's great.
You have the love, bro.
That is insane, bro. That is insane. What a hit.
Out of 99, bro.
Oh shit!
Out of 99. Wow.
No, it's numbered out of 99, yo. Whoa.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy some more shit now. Forgot. Alright. Oh, here's the rest of the 4-pack. Thank you. I almost forgot about this one. There's something green behind here. Alright, damn. Yari Rodriguez, Robert Whitaker, Chris Wiseman, Jessica Andrade, and then Chuck Liddell. Damn,
Chuck Liddell?
That's a sick ass card, dude.
What the?
That's a sick ass card.
Oh, wow. The tricolor.
Tricolor Chuck Liddell.
Nice.
It's not numbered, but this is sick.
Premier level, isn't it? I think
it is.
Sideways.
Yeah, it's the premier level.
Nice, dude.
I think it's sick.
Chuck Liddell.
We're gonna have to get a recap.
Those are some banger packs.
You guys showed me mad love, bro. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
I want to see you do that. Buy a pack and then start ripping it here. What up, Jonathan? How you doing, bro?
We got more graded Ohtani spray.
Yeah. Nice. Ooh.
Just a mix.
Man, I've never seen that card. That's nice.
Yeah. It's a low pop on that Ohtani.
Still trying to learn it.
Yeah, for that one specifically in 69, they made that variation for the original tops in 1969, so they redid it for that year, for 2019.
Oh, okay. Did you ever used to play when you were younger?
I never got into the actual game.
Gotcha, okay.
As a kid, you never really played.
Gotcha.
Okay, I'll take it.
Man, Niners, I like that. They lost their first Super Bowl.
Oh, yeah.
And you know what? I was an Alex Smith guy.
Oh, really?
I was pulling for him. And then, Kaepernick ended up taking his job because Smith got injured that year. But I was hoping Smith would get his job back. And he wouldn't get shipped out to the Chiefs.
All teams.
Right? Yeah. It felt like Montana all over again, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You guys looking for stuff, or are you just kind of scoping things out?
Just kind of scoping things out, and then making it around, and then like once there's a particular card that I want to focus on, I'll go back to that table.
There you go.
Yeah.
Camarillo cards.
Awesome. Follow them, guys.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Who's your favorite Niner player?
Nick Bosa.
Oh, okay. He's mine too right now. My current one. Who's your favorite all-time Niners quarterback?
Joe Montana.
Yeah.
Good answer. It's either Montana or Young.
Yeah.
I'll take Montana.
If you find some good Montana cards, let us know.
Definitely. Where's Mom today, man?
She is pretty good. She's home.
She's home, yeah.
She just got told she had to go back to work Monday.
Oh, okay. So she's like, I need my weekend off, right? Gotcha.
You gotta see this card he pulled. Where was it?
I saw it on your Instagram. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Was it like a $400 card? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I was laying down, and all of a sudden I hear my wife and him scream.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel, what happened?
He's been doing this for like the last 5 years.
That's because he's so knowledgeable.
Joseph's a very likable guy, especially with his prices, man.
I hear that.
How many cards in there?
63.
Oh, okay. Are you interested? What are you gonna get?
Great. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
So what'd you pick up, Maury?
I got myself a NFL Prism.
Nice.
Pulling dot heat.
Pulling dot heat, guys.
Sir.
Oh, it's an error. Okay. Where's the error?
So the error is, see how it says red name text error?
Yes.
So you see his name Ohtani?
Yes.
It's not supposed to be red.
Man, how much did you get that for?
I made some trades. I traded some cards and some cash. I'm into it for $350.
Okay.
But there's only a pop of 10.
Okay. Of the error? Especially for like what you're into it, right?
Hold on.
Yeah, I would hold on to it too. I was gonna say if you would match his price, I'd get it off you. Definitely. Dude, you're still here? And
yeah, I'm
you
still
get anything
ripping.
else? Oh man.
Christian Pache, little color, but like nothing crazy.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to have fun though.
Nice, yeah. It seems like you're having a blast, man.
Yeah. Anything on top of what I already pulled is just extra.
Yeah.
Some cards that it's all the same.
I think I bought a Ohtani Bowman's Best from you was it last month? Yeah. How you doing, bro? Yeah, doing well, nice. Yeah.
I'm sure that Ohtani went up like 3 times, bro. So.
Yeah. I was looking at it, I'm like, oh, I'm glad I got this for 120 in a trade. Because like right after that, he started to knock a bunch of home runs and yeah. Thanks again for that deal, dude. Yeah.
Everybody wins. That's the thing. Everybody wins.
Get it, Maury. I want to see you rip it open. Do it, Maury. Will you give it to him for 25 if you ripped it open right here?
I'll give it to
and then we get you on video if you get something awesome.
I'll give it to you for 25 if you rip it open right here.
The pressure is on. Do it.
But if you leave the table, the price goes up to 30. It's like,
Yeah.
Blue.
Yeah, I've never seen mosaics look that awesome.
Exactly,
Yeah.
that's my favorite. You know, even right here, because you have the green fade of the card on there, and then you have the green splash coming off. And then this one was a little bit disappointing. They couldn't match the colors a little bit better. The Genesis I love right there. I'm gonna be sending a green mosaic KBJ too. That's gonna be really nice with the green splash on that. The Mbappe, I really wanted to send that to HGA, but I just can't.
Yeah. Like if you want like the most ROI PSA.
Exactly.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys.
Awesome. No, of course, great talking to you.
You get it? 25. You walked away, so it's back to 30. Okay, do you do shows like every other weekend or once a month?
Car show last week.
Yeah.
Did you do a video about the Gary Payton and stuff?
Yeah. You watched that?
I saw that.
Nice, thank you.
That was dope.
That was my first time there.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was awesome. We'll probably be back next month.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Are you always there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I see all the weird stuff. Yeah, I love that type of stuff, man. Yeah. It was good talking to you.
Thank you. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris Abel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.